Dave here. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to upgrade my kitchen faucet. First thing I like to do when doing a repair or an upgrade like this is unbox the new faucet before removing the old one. That way I can just check and make sure that all of the parts are there and I'm not going to run into any problems when I'm halfway through. Next, I'm going to go under the sink and shut off the water to the faucet. Now, when I turn this shut-off valve off, you can see that that created a drip. And all I'm going to do to fix that is take my wrench to it and just tighten this nut very carefully, just a little bit. I'm going to get this filter out of the way, and opening these valves will confirm that the water is indeed shut off, that none of the shut-off valves below are bad. Next, I'm going to remove the locking nuts underneath the kitchen faucet. This is the problem that many homeowners fall into, that they're unable to get across if the nuts are rusted to the bottom of the sink. In that case, this one's going to be easy. These nuts are not rusted. I'll probably be able to undo it with my hand. But in that extreme case, what I would do is I would take a Sawzall with a metal blade and I would just cut through here and then snip this back and then cut the valves right there. It takes about an extra minute or two to do that. I will be on my back looking up, especially on older faucets. Rust and stuff can fall into your eyes. Safety first. With that clip out. Just gonna clean this up a little bit before I put the new kitchen faucet in. This faucet's nice because it does come with a type of water seal, so water doesn't go under, so I won't need to put any silicone under this faucet base. Put on our cover plate. Now I can go ahead and slide the faucet in. This one, Delta, handles on the right because the Delta's on the front. Don't want to tighten everything down and find out that you put it in backwards. So look at the picture of your faucet. I mean, if you want to put it on the left side, there's nothing stopping you from doing so. And I'm just gonna let that set right there. Underneath, I'm going to bring my two locking nuts, my main locking nut, and the main bracket that locks the faucet into place. Also going to bring two wrenches, my glasses, and this even comes with a wrench that fits that locking nut. before I tighten down on this hard, I want to make sure, I've got it snug now, but I want to make sure that I got everything positioned where I want it. And it definitely helps if you have someone above holding it in the position you want it while you tighten down. Now, before I turn the water on, I'm going to remove this faucet spray head. And I'm going to turn the water on in quick spurts, and that's going to get any sediment right through this hose, and it's not going to get caught in this screen right here. Do the same with the hot water. Go ahead and put this back on. And one more thing that we need to do, go ahead and close that handle. Now we can test our weight. And we've got a couple of spray modes on this. And that's going to do it. I know there's still a big hole right here. That's fine. You can cover it. There's lots of things you can use to cover this up, but I'm going to be installing a reverse osmosis system to cover that hole up. If you want to check out that video, it's right up here. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Dave. This fix is done.